Are you looking for the best beginner drones? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best beginner drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Mini 2. The DJI Mini 2 is fantastic for drone beginners. It weighs just 249 grams and is a masterpiece known for its portability and popularity among beginners and novice users. With a battery life of approximately 30 minutes, it allows users to utilize up to 75% of the battery while reserving 25% for the return-to-home auto function. For extended use, the Fly More combo includes 3 extra batteries and a charging hub. The Mini 2 is wind-resistant, capable of handling winds up to 24 miles per hour. Its camera records in 4K at 30 frames per second and 1080p at up to 60 frames per second. It supports RAW photo capture with a 12-megapixel camera and features 4x zoom, making it a fantastic option for beginner use. However, the DJI Mini 2 is not ideal for night flying. It lacks advanced subject tracking capabilities and obstacle avoidance, and it is equipped with only 2 downward sensors. Despite these limitations, the Mini 2 has been in high demand for drone enthusiasts. Its lightweight design and impressive functionality make it stand out among its counterparts. Number 2. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro improves advanced features for drone enthusiasts. It weighs just 250 g. The updated Mini 4 Pro refines everything that made its predecessor great, preserving the versatile camera capable of switching remotely between portrait and horizontal modes while enhancing its video capabilities. The improved video ISO sensor allows for superb low-light footage at frame rates of up to 30 FPS. With a maximum flight range of 11.18 miles and a maximum transmission distance of 12.4 miles, the Mini 4 Pro offers incredible flexibility. Creatives can take this drone almost anywhere and operate it without a license in FAA-regulated areas, all while capturing 48-megapixel stills or 4K video, shooting in D-Log, and utilizing DJI's full suite of intelligent flight functions, including obstacle avoidance. DJI provides 2 controller options, one with a built-in 5.5-inch screen, and a more affordable version for those who prefer using their smartphone as a monitor. Even better, DJI offers larger batteries that can extend flight time to over 40 minutes, compared to the standard 34 minutes, ideal for users who can accommodate the added weight. Number 3. Autel Robotics Evo Nano Plus. The Autel Robotics Evo Nano Plus is a crucial drone for beginners. It weighs in at under 250 g. It is capable of shooting in 4K HDR and capturing stills with a nearly 50-megapixel camera from a 1/1.28-inch CMOS sensor. The Autel Robotics offers capable drones. Flight time is just 28 minutes and a 6.2 kilometers range. It is equipped with a tridirectional sensor to help avoid accidents while flying. However, there are a couple of downsides to the Evo Nano Plus. It is a bit more fragile compared to other drones, so it requires careful handling. Additionally, it lacks subject tracking capabilities, which could be a deal-breaker for some users. Number 4. Potensic ATOM SE. The Potensic ATOM SE Mini drone is a highly affordable camera drone designed to be lightweight and easily portable. It weighs less than 250 grams. It provides approximately 30 minutes of flight time. Its 12-megapixel CMOS sensor captures stunning photos in both JPEG and RAW formats, along with 4K HD video at 30 frames per second, featuring a 118-degree field of view and a vertical camera adjustment angle ranging from 20 degrees to 90 degrees. This allows users to capture expansive scenes from various perspectives. The drone incorporates exclusive shake-vanish electronic stabilization technology, which delivers smooth, stable aerial footage. With a control range of up to 4 kilometers, PixSync 2.0 technology ensures consistent video quality in most shooting conditions, providing low-latency HD digital videos. The Surgefly flight control system offers reliable flight control with 3 modes: video, normal, and sport, allowing pilots to improve their flying skills. A TOF, time of flight, sensor helps achieve high accuracy positioning, making it easier to control the drone indoors or outdoors in low GPS environments, such as at night. Additionally, ensure return to home, RTH, button that the drone can fly back to its takeoff point at any time. The ATOM SE drone gives users ample opportunity to capture the perfect shot or footage. Number 5. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 is a beginner drone for enthusiasts. The weighing is just 249 grams. Flight time is approximately 38 minutes with the regular base battery or up to 50 minutes with the Intelligent Plus battery. It features a 12-megapixel camera that supports RAW photo capture, true vertical shooting, 4K video at 30 frames per second, and 4x zoom capabilities. It has standards with features such as auto takeoff and return to home functionality. The return to home feature ensures the drone can safely find its way back when the system detects a low battery or a weak signal, helping to extend the drone's longevity. The Mini 3 is wind resistant, handling winds up to 24 miles per hour. Like many compact DJI drones, it is easy to travel with and store. However, it lacks top-facing obstacle avoidance sensors, unlike the Mini 3, so you'll need to exercise extra caution while flying.